What's good, Black Star Podcast? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jared. Y'all, baby mama number two. I'm reviewing, and this time she's looking for a man to take care of her while she still works. Let's see how this goes.
Chicago. Hello.
Hi.
Okay. You sound good.
I can't believe you did that fast.
Yes, just like that. You ready?
Yeah, sure.
You look cute. What's your name,
Thank
honey?
you.
Stop moving though. You have the camera set up good.
Sorry, I'm holding it. I need to prop it on something.
Okay, you was holding. You had good light. If you can hold it steady, then you're fine.
I'm gonna put it on the stand, I think. There you go.
All right, what's your name, baby?
Tiana.
Tiana. Where you calling us from?
Actually in Bermuda right now.
Are you on vacation?
I am on vacation.
Bermuda, Jamaica.
That's the
Ooh,
song.
I wanna take it to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama. Diago, my.
Kendra, you about to fuck somebody's eardrums up.
There you go. Baby,
I wanna
why don't
take you
we go to the
Bahama.
Kokomo?
Okay, Tiana. Where do you live in the States?
Somebody was calling me.
Oh God, is your phone number on your profile?
No.
Okay. Where do you live in America? Do you live in
I
America?
do. I do. I live outside of Philadelphia.
Oh, somebody's hating. They keep calling you.
Um, they stopped. I just hung up on them.
Okay. Where do you live in
Outside
America?
of Philadelphia.
Okay, outside of Philly. How old are you, Tiana?
I am 40.
Okay, look good, 40.
Thank
And
you.
what do you do for a living?
I'm a nurse.
Nurse. Do you have any children?
I have 2 kids.
How old are your 2 kids?
3 and 11.
3 and 11. Are they both by the same man?
No, they're not.
Why are you not with the 3-year-old dad?
Because infidelity. They
How'd
can't
you
do
find
it.
out?
Oh, I found out because I was using his phone for something and I saw a very explicit text message that was just lovey, feely, emotional. Too much, too much.
Was you pregnant or was it after you had
It
the
was
baby?
it was like a year after I had the baby. It was way too soon after I had the baby.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's a wrap.
Yeah.
What's your zodiac sign,
I'm
Tiana?
a Taurus
Oh, when's your birthday?
today.
Happy birthday!
Thank
Oh,
you.
sorry, that's not why you're in Bermuda?
That's why I'm in
Are you
Bermuda.
there with friends?
I came here by myself to get away.
Are you serious? Okay.
Yeah.
I did that. You know, on my 40th birthday, I did.
She came to get some salami, and you had a child 3 years ago, and you talking about infidelity. Oh, this is gonna be perfect.
So I ended up meeting. Well, I did a solo trip too. I went to Dubai, but I ended up meeting a friend, and like from the internet, actually, the craziest thing. And then I went to
Okay.
Greece. So I've done solo birth. I did it for my 40th birthday too. Well, happy birthday!
Awesome. Thank
Are you
you.
enjoying yourself?
I am. I had a lot of fun. I actually just checked into another resort. I was in an Airbnb in town, and it was actually kind of fun there because it was more in town with the locals. Here, it's more like a resort with touristy people. But it's nice. It's nice to get away, be relaxed, and not have like chaos coming at me all the time.
So you turned 40 today.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay. Well, happy birthday. Let's do it. So we got Tiana, Bermuda, Philly, 40, Taurus, a nurse, mom to 2 kids, 3 and 11. Have you ever been married?
No, they were both long-term relationships. One basically in my 20s, the other one basically throughout my 30s, but never actually. I got rings, but I never kept them.
So no marriage. Basically, your baby mama. Okay, your baby mama. Okay.
You never kept them. So you've been engaged. Did
Yeah, technically.
they propose?
They proposed, yeah.
So why would you say technically?
Because as soon as I got them, I knew it wasn't right.
Okay, fair enough. Well, that's
So they were right enough to have children for, but they wasn't right enough to actually get married to. Some way, somehow, that makes sense. So it makes sense to have a child before you get married to the man that you have a child by. In this case, two of them. Okay.
In the past. Let's talk about the future.
There.
What kind of man you looking for?
I want somebody, oh man, this is so difficult. I'm so nervous right now. I just want somebody that's like a real good companion. I want somebody fun that I'm actually into and that could like do stuff with me.
Somebody that you're actually into. You sound like a 18-year-old. I want somebody that I'm actually into. What?
I want somebody that's like really into the family thing. I love being a mom. I'm into doing things with my family, like my extended family and my in-house family. So I really want somebody probably that already has kids because I don't want any more kids. I think I'm done having kids. But yeah, I want somebody that's also like a man's man that likes doing all that male stuff because honestly, I hate it. Like I have like a small business on the side. I get so tired of using my brain. I just want to sit down and be the woman and kind of be taken care of, you know?
She wants to be taking.
So you're telling me that you want to get married now. You want to get married at 4 years old with two kids by two different men. Okay. You want to be taken care of because you have a small business and you get tired of using your brain. Okay. That's natural. Okay. But the thing that gets me is you're a single you're done having children. That's fine and dandy. So my question is this. You're done having children. What is that man going to be getting in return for him taking care of your children? Because let's be honest, he's going to have to chip in and take care of your kids, regardless if you say that he has to or not. That's almost a guaranteed he has to damn chip in. So what would he be getting offered in return other than you?
Was you taken care of with your child's father? Have you ever experienced it?
Absolutely.
You said yes?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, I still
So
want to work. I just want to be taken care of when I'm not working at my job.
okay, okay, fair enough. What are your deal breakers?
Um, Liars and cheaters.
You want to be taken care of at while you are not at your job, and your deal breakers are lies and cheaters. Every time y'all open your mouth, it just becomes a red fucking flag.
She gonna leave you if you cheat on
Yeah.
her, and lie to her. Anything else?
Um, those are the main two things. I mean, I don't smoke, so I don't like smokers. I don't smoke anything, so I can't deal with that. I don't want somebody with too many kids by too many moms or like too much drama going on in their life.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about look? Should he look a certain way?
Um, I hate to say what all the women say, but I don't know. I'm not short, but I'm 5'4", so they don't really have to be tall. I do like wearing heels. I could probably easily date somebody that's 5'10". I don't like thin guys. I like guys that are a little bit beefier. Um,
Okay.
that work out, athletic.
Okay.
Take care of their self, clean cut. I love a black man in a suit. That's like my weakness.
Black man in a suit.
Hmm.
Now, she make a certain amount of money?
Um, I I will say I make good money. I totally get why people say they want what they make. But being single now, I get that like even if I had somebody that made 50 grand, if we were actually really together, that would still like benefit the household, if that makes sense.
Yes.
So I don't really want somebody that makes 50 grand, but I could deal with that if they were like a good person. And of course, if they are like financially secure in their life. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you're saying because you do well, you're looking at the 50K as an add-on to what you are already doing, and that would help because it'll be an extra 50K. But that's not really how low you would like to
Of
go.
course, no. I'm sorry. I make over 100. I work a lot. I do. I work a lot, but I make good money, and I do expect to keep on working. I just life isn't meant to be lived on your own. It's not. It doesn't matter how much money you make. You're not supposed to have to do it by yourself. Take care of the house, take care of the kids, work and all that stuff. So, I want a partner. I want a life partner.
I think
Why didn't you get a life partner before having both of those kids? You always want to put the cart before the horse, but you never want to put the horse before the cart when it comes down to it.
that no, I agree with you, but I think people are starting to realize not everybody gets that. Not
Mhm.
everybody gets there's a saying that says there's someone for everyone. And it's such a sweet
Mhm.
saying. It really is.
Mhm.
But if we were to be honest with ourselves, we know everyone doesn't get a romantic partner.
Mhm.
So, you are a blessed somebody if you find your somebody.
Yeah.
But let's keep going. Girl, I've been waiting for it. Let's do the Kendra Cam.
All right, I have to move. Um, does that work?
All right, look good. Yes.
I just
Okay.
came from dinner, so I'm half dressed.
Okay.
So you telling me somebody looking like that couldn't find a man in their 20s to marry them? Hmm. Problematic, problematic. I detect problematicness.
Nice body, pretty face. You look good, girl.
Thank you. Oh, I'll sit over here.
Now, what would you say to the man that might be concerned that you have a 3-year-old?
Um, if he's concerned that I have a 3-year-old, then he's not for me because I need somebody that's going to treat my kids like theirs. I mean, not
And I guess every man that looks at this video and on Kendra G show is gonna be like, "That's a red flag." Nope.
necessarily like theirs, but kind of, sort of. So if
Okay.
it's that much of their concern, like my kids have dads, they're active in their lives. We're just not together. So
All right. So you have to be able to love her kids like your own. Do you want to get married this time?
I absolutely want to get married. That was always the plan.
Okay. Should the guy be in Philly?
I they don't have to be in Philly. I've honestly been wanting to move for a while now.
Okay.
Open to things, but I am big with family, like I said, and I do have a good bit of extended family in like the Pennsylvania area. So I would like to be maybe in like a 2 or 3 hour drive, something easy to get home.
Okay. What is the age range you want to date?
Um, I don't know. That's really tricky. I feel like since I've been single, there's been like high 20s to like 50s, 60s. So I would say 30 to 50, maybe.
Oh, you'll go down 10 years?
I mean, I've met some 30-year-olds that are really like headstrong and they got their life together. So if they were into it, I'd be out open to it.
Okay. Now, when was your last
Um,
relationship?
I'm a little over a year ago.
Okay. You don't have to answer. Oh, was that your child's father?
That was my child's father,
Okay.
yeah.
You don't have to answer, but I'm going to ask. When's the last time you was intimate with someone?
Yeah, I'm not gonna answer that.
Okay. 3 flaws you have
Last week,
to work on.
I should have had these because I already know what you're gonna say. So 3 flaws I need to work on. Honestly, I need to be better with my money, better with money management.
money management problems. Oh shit! Really, money management problems meaning you spend more money than you really earn.
I I need to take more time away from my job, honestly. Sometimes I could be a bit of a workaholic because my job just constantly requests you to go in and it's kind of hard to say no.
So you're a workaholic. You basically looking for a step simp. That's what you're looking for. You're looking for a step simp to take care of your kids while you at work all the time. That's what you're looking for, to be honest.
And Another flaw that I could work on is just taking more time for my family.
Taking more time for your family.
Yeah,
Because the guy have kids.
absolutely.
Okay. And let's do it. We got Tiana, Bermuda, Philly, 40, Taurus, nurse, mom of two kids, a 3 and 11-year-old, never married. She'll date between 30 to 50. Doesn't have a money requirement, but do well, keep up with yourself. And she wants to get married. You can have children, not a lot of baby mamas, you said, right?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, not too many.
You can have
Maybe
two.
two. I don't know. I don't know. I don't have a specific number. I just don't want drama or like somebody that some guys they make 100 grand and then they got four baby moms. So it's kind of like, how do you live? Like it's expensive to have kids.
Yeah, no, absolutely. All right, let's do it. And today's her birthday. Today's her
Yeah.
actual birthday. How can the guy reach out to you, baby?
Um, my Instagram is ladybugs2115 at Yahoo. No, ladybugs2115.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that to her. No, we ain't gonna do that to her. Ain't no damn step simps gonna be over here on my page, damn liking her damn shit. Especially she posting videos or OF content. If you want to be honest with you, cause I don't know. But she looking for a step crash test dummy. That's exactly what the hell she looking for. But yeah. Like, share, subscribe, channel, support podcast on Spotify.com. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Thank you guys for listening. Catch you guys later. Bye guys.